Good medical morning. With YouTube's ever-changing rules, we've shied away from videos with pus-filled abscesses. However, you asked for a deep dive into dental abscesses, and censorship be damned, we're going to give you an educational medical video about dental abscesses. Before I show you a few more examples, can you answer this trivia question? How quickly can an abscess form? 1 to 2 days, 2 to 5 days, 1 to 2 weeks, or 2 to 5 weeks? Stick around for the answer in a moment. Let's start with tooth abscesses. But we'll show you some images of both tooth and gum abscesses. A tooth abscess is a pocket of pus that's caused by a bacterial infection. The abscess can occur at different regions of the tooth for different reasons. A periapical abscess occurs at the tip of the root, whereas a periodontal abscess occurs in the gums at the side of a tooth root. The information here refers specifically to periapical abscesses. A periapical tooth abscess usually occurs as a result of an untreated dental cavity, an injury, or prior dental work. Dentists will treat a tooth abscess by draining it and getting rid of the infection. They may be able to save your tooth with a root canal treatment, but in some cases, the tooth may need to be pulled. Leaving a tooth abscess untreated can lead to serious, even life-threatening conditions. So when should you see a doctor? Here's what the Mayo Clinic has to say. See your dentist promptly if you have any signs or symptoms of a tooth abscess. If you have a fever and swelling in your face and you can't reach your dentist, go to an emergency room. Also, go to the emergency room if you have trouble breathing or swallowing. These symptoms may indicate that the infection has spread deeper into your jaw and surrounding tissue, or even to other areas of your body. Now, this video primarily focused on tooth abscesses. Should we cover more about gum abscesses next? Stick around for a word about these amazing teeth whitening pens, and then we'll give you the answer to the trivia question. Now, let's talk about teeth whitening. Have you ever found yourself wanting to whiten your teeth, but the white strips are too inconvenient? Maybe you find that they cause too much irritation for your gums. If so, I recommend picking up a pack of teeth whitening pens. Brush them on once a day, and your teeth will look noticeably whiter in no time. Teeth whitening pens don't irritate your gums like white strips, and they're super convenient. You can put them in your desk at work, in the car, or in your purse. And they're less than half the price of white strips, and way cheaper than going to the doctor. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below, so pick up yours today. And your answer to the trivia question is 1 to 2 days, so fairly quickly. As always, thanks for watching. We do this for you guys, so please leave us a comment below and tell us how we're doing. We'll see you next time.